Watson said, "You give me a child, I can make him or her what she or he wants to become." Hello everyone, this is Mohan Kumawat, popularly known as English lecturer, author, influencer, and motivational speaker. Guys, today I'm gonna tell you the 10 phrases, the 10 crucial phrases for agreeing. You know, when we are talking with someone else, then we have to show our appearances. When we have to show our agreement that we are listening him or her. So these 10 phrases will definitely sack your head. So just look at the board and get the 10 phrases. So guys, first phrases. अपना जो पहला जो आज का phrase है वो है exactly. What is exactly? ये हम कब बोल सकते हैं? ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. जब कोई व्यक्ति अच्छा काम कर रहा है, when someone is doing good job, then we say, you guys, well done, you keep it up. जब हम किसी को appreciate करते हैं, तो उसके बदले में वो हो सकता है exactly sir. Second one is absolutely. We can say पूर्ण रूप से सही है. Absolutely, you are right. हम बोलते हैं कि just how about having coffee? How about just signing this project? We say absolutely okay sir, you go ahead. तो इस तरह से हम बोल सकते हैं. And the third one is that's so true. बिल्कुल ये सच है. That's so true. You have got the news. That's so true. यानी आपको जो न्यूज़ मिली है, जो समाचार मिला, that's so true. बिल्कुल सच है. And that fourth one is that's for sure. ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. It is definitely true. It is definitely sure. And the fifth one is I agree 100%. यानी मैं आपसे 100% सहमत हूँ. ये ध्यान रखिए गाइस, आपको I am agree नहीं बोलना है. Only you can speak I agree 100%. And the sixth one is I couldn't agree with you more. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. और ये बोलना कैसे? I couldn't agree with you more. यानी मैं आपसे और आगे सहमत नहीं हो सकता. Means this time we are talking I agree with you. The seventh one, that's exactly what I think. That's exactly what I think. यानी ये वही जो चीज़ है बिल्कुल जैसा मैंने सोचा. Means what are you thinking? What are you doing? That is your job. Exactly what I think. That is right. तो आप बोल सकते हैं. Eighth one, tell me about it. This is informal. ये ध्यान रखना, आपको पता नहीं हो और आप एग्री अगर करते हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो tell me about it. ये informal माना जाता है कि इसको पता ही नहीं कि एग्री करेगा. तो ये informal वे होता है. And the ninth is I'll say. This is informal. I'll say मैं कहूँगा. Means I'm not agree right now. So I can't tell you anything else. And the 10th one is I suppose so. मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता है जैसा आपको लगता है. Means what is your project? What are your ideas? I suppose so that. It means I'm same as you that. This is for weak agreement. I suppose so. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. This is for weak agreement. ये आता है हमेशा weak agreement के लिए जिसमें surety नहीं होता है. So guys, these are the 10 phrases. These are very important for you. You can use in talking when you want to discuss with someone else, when you are discussing about any project, any assignment. So you can use these. So these will definitely increase and groom your body language. These will definitely groom your personality and communication skills. So keep learning English with a silent teacher. I will meet you in the next video with a new topic. So head back next day. Take care and bye.